So we're down here in Chokoloskee and we're doing a Sportsman's Adventure episode. And you know, since we got SiriusXM Marine, it's really comforting knowing that the rain that they predicted today, to being able to see exactly where it is. Now through my Garmin and this antenna, I'm able to check and see exactly where the storms are. So here's the boat, and as you can see, all of the storms are south of us and they're all moving to the east. So it looks like we're gonna get a couple more good hours of fishing. I can see the intensity using my chart over here as to whether I've got to worry about really some bad cells. And also I can tell if there's any lightning. And as you can tell over here off of Miami, as the front comes through, we're getting some lightning strikes. Having this in a bay boat and seeing which way the storms are moving are giving me a lot more fishing today while we're doing this Sportsman's Adventure episode. So check out SiriusXM Marine, and I'm sure that you'll be really excited and happy when you learn how it also works. The other thing that I see is we come with forecast. We also have the ability to do sea conditions, and it loads in the weather. So coming in the future, we'll be able to see all of these little things, and probably I'll be sharing this with you as I learn more about it and how the winds and everything is affected. So check out SiriusXM Marine. I think you'll really like it as much as I do. So guys, you know, as you can see, we're talking about a service that's an overlay on my chart plotter. Now, I mentioned the marine zones and marine forecast. Now, remember this about your SiriusXM. The one thing that's so cool is that when you listen to your NOAA radio, what you find is these are all the zones that they're referring to. The unfortunate part about what this does is if you miss the area when you're listening to the radio, it might take up to 15 minutes in order to circle back to the area where you want to know what the marine forecast is. Now, SiriusXM, it actually gives it to you right away. All you have to simply do is push on your screen. It'll highlight the marine zone that you want. Now that you've highlighted the zone, you can actually go to the next screen. Watch what happens. We'll actually show you, but looking at the local forecast, it gives you 4 pages of data. This particular one is page 4, where it actually tells me about the southeast winds, where it is, as well as all the different signals. As you can see, the signal behind me, it shows me where I got weather strikes or lightning strikes. Now remember, Sirius is a satellite-based system, so you don't have to have the cell signal in order to get SiriusXM. So if you want to sign up, you go to SiriusXM.com/FIFR. Right, Bree?